Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are in beautiful Istria taking a look at the new Peugeot 408. So this car has the Croatian premiere here. It's just been launched on the market, and as you can see we have a beautiful example in front of us. So this car has a very unique design. It's a fastback crossover SUV, a lot of elements of different kind of cars, and it's definitely an eye-catcher on the road. Today we are going on a point of view drive. So this is the Allure Business, and on the front we have the beautiful grille, the new Peugeot badge, 408 lettering, and this is the launch color. It's actually free, so it's the no cost option here in Croatia, so I think it will be very popular indeed. These are the wheels. They also have the new Peugeot badge, and if I come here you will see the dimensions. So just a second, 205 55 R19. Moving on to the side, now you see this fastback silhouette and the very aggressive styling here. Look at this, this is gorgeous. Now from the rear, these are the slim LED tail lamps. Also the new Peugeot badge is here. And if you go for the GT pack, then you have a bit of a different signature for the rear lights. Now if we unlock the car, I can also show you the trunk space. There we go, nice square shape. Also you see the net on the right, and overall not just good looking but also very practical indeed. But now without further ado, let's go on a point of view drive. This is the interior with the lovely small steering wheel and the iCockpit. So let's go. Alright then, this is the layout in front of us. The small steering wheel with the flat bottom, and it's so nice to hold it in hand. In front of us, the 10-inch digital iCockpit and the 10-inch main touchscreen with the new infotainment system, which is much better than the previous infotainment systems from Peugeot, and this is a big upgrade. Also, we do have some physical buttons here and the small gear selector, so the minimalistic one that looks very cool indeed, and also it's nice and easy to operate with it. The car that we have on the test today has got the PureTech petrol engine, so it's a turbocharged petrol engine producing 130 horsepower. Other options currently are the plug-in hybrids, 180 horsepower or 225 horsepower. There will also be a mild hybrid coming later this year, but also the fully electric version will be available as well. So a lot to choose from for customers, and it's something that Peugeot is known for, so really you can choose a lot of powertrain options. Tell me in your comments which one would be your spec. And all cars have the automatic transmission, and the pricing will be in the description. So this car just launched on the Croatian market. Now, for example, on corners like this, it's so nice to have this small steering wheel. It's so easy to operate with it, and it's a real pleasure to drive this car. You also have different driving modes that are available. You can change them by pressing this button here. So sport mode obviously would give you better throttle response, and here you have the normal and eco if you want a maximum efficiency, of course. So let's put the normal mode for now. And tell me in the comments, how do you like this car? How do you like the layout here? 4.69 meters is the length of the car, and I think this spec, so the Allure Business, is really a proper choice, I think, because you have a lot of equipment. You have the LED lights, the nice digitalized interior, and also the beautiful wheels, and overall the appearance of the car is really impressive. You can also go for the higher trim, which would be the GT pack, which would give you more sporty look, and also it would give you the new Peugeot badge on the sides. Let's put the sport mode and do a little of acceleration. There we go. Back to normal mode. Of course, this car is packed with technology. A bunch of driver assist and safety systems are available. In front of us we have the digital cockpit that has different views, so you can change them by pressing this, and there's also an option to customize the digital cockpit, so you can actually configure what you want to see in front of you, and then by pressing this button here you can change between various views that are available. You can also change the screen color, so the color of the infotainment system itself. Also, this car has the ambient lights, which are quite nice, and there are also various colors available. Of course, that would be visible during the night. There's also a video of this car during the night, which was very spectacular. We had a Croatian premiere at the beautiful hotel here in Istria, and the lighting was amazing. So I think that video is probably already live on the channel. You can watch it. And yeah, well, now we are ready to continue the drive, and I think I will just let you enjoy the roads for a bit. We are in now for a nice section of roads with a lot of twists and turns, and I'm really enjoying this drive. I hope that you are too. And the gear changes are very smooth with this automatic transmission. By pressing this button here, you access the driver assist and safety systems. And there's also this eye toggle, which is the layout here, the digital layer here, that actually has the option to customize. So you can actually customize the things that you have here. You can put whatever you use the most. Currently we have the media, mirror screen, navigation and settings, as well as help, but this can be configured. So that's quite cool, because you can just put the most common things that you use right here in front of you, and that way you make the infotainment system much simpler for you. And just look at this. This is gorgeous. This road is just amazing. Once again, beautiful Istria here in Croatia, and well, it's definitely a suggestion to visit this, because it really looks amazing. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the drive. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this car and which powertrain would you go for? That's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.